Are you tired with just working on the chart which look messy like this, or spend countless hours just screening or searching the signals all over the instruments? I think those ends today, but this tool which is called Market Scanner. This is the tool that scans the market all over the mostly traded pairs for retail traders, and it shows you what's going on, whether it's buy side or whether it's in a sell side, or even whether it's neutral or just there is no strongest signal. This is what our HubScanner do. Welcome to the channel. I'm Aishati Omar. I'm coming to show you this HubScanner, which is going to help you just getting the signals and knowing what's going on in a few seconds, just in one single dashboard. Just what you have to do, it's having it, then the rest it's for read, and just scan all the most of the tradable instruments just in one window, just in small time. So let's go. This is the tool that mainly have three elements, where there is a market scanner and the economic calendar, and also the forex trading session, which is showing the what session we are in, and also as well as the clock and time on the bottom. So starting to market scanner, yes, we are having the market scanner, which mainly has the list of instruments chosen, and you can customize by at your own. And also it has the time frame and above, and having the current bid and ask prices, as well as the daily change prices. Yes, and when you look at this, you can find each instrument with respective to each time frame. There is a signal or there is an indicator showing what's going on. I think you see from M1, M5, M15 all the way to daily time frame, and you see there are different symbols which are also here on the bottom. There is their region. So if it's a strong buy, it's indicated by these two white arrow looking up, yes, and the strong blue color. And also you see if it's a strong sale, there is also this down arrow and the red color. And so if the signal is not strong enough, or either in sell or in buy, just you see it's like sky blue, and one arrow the same as for sale, which is the red, which is not the pure red, and one arrow down. And when there is completely no bias, just it's in neutral zone or it's in sideways, you can see it's this signal, which is just a rectangle with a small white rectangle inside. So this is how it works. So what you see here, these are all of these signs across the time frames, and each time frame with respective to instrument, and you see whether what's going on inside instrument. So without just going into chart and search, spending like many hours screening, just you can look simply on this one dashboard and know what's going on different instruments in just a minute, not taking you hours and hours. So here we have the bid and ask. This is commonly known, and how the prices are changing. You see here are just visible, and you can see, okay, as you see, if there is a change and increase in the price, it's a blue color, and when it change, it's in decrease in the price, we have the red color. And if there is no change, or the instrument is not it's not in trading session of that instrument, as you see here for these two instruments, also there is no change, it's white color. So that's it. And also on the other side, we have economic calendar, and we show different information about the economic calendar with respective to their dates, time it's going to happen, And I'd like to remind you that this time used here, it's UTC, yeah, or GMT. It depends on what you use, but it's UTC or GMT. So you see the currents of the news, when the news is going to, where the news, which currents the news is going to take place. You see there is impact here on this dashboard. We show the high impact events and the medium impact events only. And you see here, these are the name of the events, and you see most of these news events are popular, yes. And you see this actual forecast and the previous news value, as you see here. So on the bottom right, we are having just forex trading sessions. These are different sessions as normally and recognized globally, how the forex market is traded and the different session. And there are mainly 4 sessions as known. This is the Sydney session, Tokyo, London, and New York. And here they are mapped as you see here on this chart. So on the bottom, also on the end, there is just a time and the dates. This is usual and it's in UTC as you see here. I think it's readable and clear to see. Just this scanner is it explains itself. There is no need, even if anyone gives it to you, just without having this kind of tutorial, you can just explain it by yourself. So you can get this tool for free, and it's available to our trading to our website, TradingVerseHub, and as written here. And also you can download it and make sure you subscribe to our channel, and so that tomorrow if we release a new tool or release a new video course, or just you want to know something else, that you can comment it in the comment down. And remember to like this video. And also we are having the live stream about these signals. If you are not ready yet for installing it in your MT5 platform, also you can just follow it for free on 24/7 live stream that's available on YouTube. My name is Omar. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, and also don't hesitate to contact us whether you want anything to ask it to us directly, or just you want anything else, or you want just we can customize something for you. Don't hesitate to contact us. We are ready for you. Have a good day.